Hi everyone, in today's video we will see how to set time zone in change the chart time zone in mobile app and the desktop application. So to do in mobile application, firstly you can simply click on the setting icon in your bottom navigation bar. After that scroll up and click on more settings. Inside the more settings, you can simply here click on the back button at your top to open the settings, and now here click on symbols, and then inside a symbol you will find here your time zone settings. Now simple click on it and select the new time zone and click on save, and then here you will find your chart will be changed according to the time zone. So here is how you can easily do in your mobile. Now we see how we can do in a desktop application. Now for desktop users, to change your time zone you can simply press the setting icon at the top or your bottom. You will find here the gear icon, and then open the settings of your trading view. Then after go to symbol, and inside a symbol you will find your time zone. Now change the time zone and click on OK, and then refresh the page once. So here is how you can easily do and change the time zone in TradingView. Goodbye.